Hello everyone. Here we again came with the presentation to know your hub. That is one of the associated program KG in hub from Konkan Gyanpit Rahul Dhaga College of Pharmacy and Research Institute in association with the IPA Raigad branch. I am Mr. Preetham Zuwadkar, HOD of the Department of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry. I am very thankful to my coordinator, Mrs. Nilofar Khan, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry, and thankful to Mr. Liladhar Patil, President IPA Raigad branch, and Dr. Mohan Kale, Principal KGR DCP and RI Karzat, because of whom I am here to present you. That is nothing but a know your hub. Now today is nothing but on Diwali occasion we are utilizing, and many of the we can say festival we are utilizing coconut. So we have to know what is the importance of the coconut, and today we are coming with this plant, that is know your herb coconut. So first of all, it is nothing but a large shell, that is nothing but a seed of coconut palm. It is lined with the white edible part, which is nothing but we are utilizing for in many of the food, also in a cosmetic purpose. Then botanical name of the coconut palm is nothing but Cocos nucifera. Is family belong to Arecaceae or Palmae family. It is there are 60 species are available of genus Cocos. Every coconut plant taxonomically is the same, and tall varieties of the plants can be flower within a 6 to 10 years after planting. Lifespan of the every coconut plant is nothing but almost about 60 to 70 years. I'm telling you about the coconut plant. The coconut plants in Indian we are calling as a kalparuksha. This kalparuksha, why? Because every aspect, every part of the plant can be used for the human being, for the many of the purpose, for eating purpose, for shelter purpose, for many of the other purpose. So it is one of the plant which we are knowing as a kalparuksha. In Indian, we can say continental, we are getting many of the we can say coconut plants are available. Now we have to understand the cultivation parameter. Specifically, it is required a sandy soil, that is nothing but almost pH about the 5 to 8 pH. Along with that, high tolerance of salinity is there, so you can get this plant nearby seashore. And abundant sunlight and regular rainfall is required, that is nothing but 150 to 250 centimeter annually. Coconut needs high humidity, almost about 70 to 80% for the optimal growth of this plant. This is almost about this plant is nothing but it is available in many of the we can say countries available in nowadays. We can able to get this plant is nothing but we can say nearby seashore is ornamental also, and it is very we can say providing wealth to the nearby people also, nearby that seashore. So that is monocotyledonous tree of around 25 meter of height, giant coconut, which is nothing but we can say roots available fasciculate. The stem is unbranched type of, then it has its apex is there, that is a tuft of leaves are there available, which protect the single apical bud, which is nothing but available. Then along with that, pinnate leaves are present, feather shape, having petiole, rachis and leaflets. Under favorable environmental condition is nothing but it providing a 12 to 14 inflorescence spike, a giant adult coconut per year, while adult dwarf coconut can emit almost about 18 spike in the same period. The axillary inflorescence has globular cluster of female flowers. Along with that, the plant is monoecious and male and female reproductive organ are on the same plant, it is available. Now we have to understand basic phytochemistry of the coconut. So basic phytochemistry, the all coconut is nothing but containing the white edible part, which is containing a tannin, steroids, lichoanthocyanidin, phlobartanine, then coumarin, then saponin, triterpenes, alkaloid, flavonoid, terpenoids. Along with that, it's containing a number of fatty acids are available in this coconut oil specifically, that is known as a lauric acid. The use of the lauric acid we can able to get it antiviral, antibacterial as well as anti-protozoal agent. The myristic acid is also present, which flavoring agent, stabilizing many of the protein also. Caprylic acid, caproic acid, antifungal, antiviral, antimicrobial properties it is having. Then palmitic acid, there is nothing but antioxidant activity. Oleic acid, which remove the radical from the body specifically. Linoleic acid, which is nothing but used as an antioxidant, antimicrobial, powerful immune system enhancer, that is linoleic acid. Along with that, stearic acid is also there. Various soaps and specifically detergent, lubricant, it has been prepared from the stearic acid. So phytochemically it is full of fatty acid. Along with that, many of the important phytochemical constituent which can be helpful in many of the disease condition, and which is nothing but very useful. And you can able to get cooking oil also, that is nothing but the coconut oil. So we will find out, we will just discuss here the many of the products which are available from the coconut, as well as water and shell also, which has been utilized. So kernel, firstly we have this is brown color part, which can be, you can able to see in the diagram, that is a white color part is nothing but we can say that is, these are known as a kernels based coconut product. So virgin coconut oil is there, then desiccated coconut, coconut milk, coconut skim milk has been utilized, then coconut cream is there, spray dried coconut milk powder is also there, coconut chips are available, coconut oil and copra, which is nothing but available. Then along with that, coconut shell base product is also available, which is a brown tough shell, which is nothing but used as a charcoal also, and coconut shell powder also, it has been utilized for the many of the purposes. Then coconut water based products are also available in market, which can be seen a tender coconut water, coconut squash is there, natto de coco, that is nothing but vinegar also prepared from the coconut water. Then coconut inflorescence based food products are also available in market, that is nothing but Nira, coconut jaggery, coconut palm sugar, coconut flower syrup is also available. Then coconut convenience food products are available, that is nothing but which can be utilized in many of the cuisines, like coconut biscuits available, coconut candy is available, coconut chocolate is also available, and coconut burfi is also available, which is nothing but Indian cuisine we are utilizing. Now we have to understand the basic pharmacological effect of that, particularly we can say coconut. So healing wound is specifically we can say for this it's very useful. You can find many of the nearby hospital, you will get the coconut water, because it is very useful for gain particular recovery from any disease condition or surgery or anything. We are supposed to if I am visiting any patient in hospital, definitely I will carry about some coconut water. So that is nothing but a why, because it has ability to accelerate reepithelialization, improve the antioxidant enzyme activity, stimulate higher collagen cross-linking within a tissue being repaired. Then along with that, it is also utilized supplying our body with the energy due to its high level of electrolytes, which is nothing but present in coconut water. It is has a anti-aging and antioxidant activity properties. Then it is antimicrobial, which is nothing but the antimicrobial because of the many of the fatty acids which are contained, such as the athletes for that food and dermatitis is nothing but we can say it has been utilized. Then the medium chain of triglycerides which are present inside the coconut oil lower the level of the cholesterol. Then along with that, it will help to clear the blockage, therefore cutting down the risk of the heart attack. That is nothing but a very useful. Then anti-ulcer activity, it is mainly the coconut milk is nothing but helpful in NSAID associated anti-ulcer agent, because if you are utilizing many times the patients nothing but utilizing many of the NSAID for the anti-inflammatory purpose, but that may cause ulcerative effect, and that can be blocked by the use of the coconut milk. So it is one of the we can say a nutritious plant which we are utilizing many of the mythological we can say occasion, many of the festival occasion we are utilizing this plant. So that is nothing but a very useful plant, that is nothing but we had learned the coconut. Here are some products which are nothing but available. So cultivate the more coconut, nothing but we can say helpful for our earth also and for the human being also. The coconut, these are the products are available. Coconut, desiccated coconut, coconut chips are available, coconut oil is available, coconut organic coconut milk is also available. Along with that, it is available coconut oil which we are utilizing. One of the brand I can say Parachute is there. Then coconut water is also utilized now. Then Nira is nothing but medicated honey. In that coconut is being utilized. Nowadays we are celebrating Diwali. I wish you all happy Diwali, and along with that we are utilizing coconut, so we have to understand what is the role of the coconut in our life. So that is nothing but here we are just I'm pray my thank you to my principal sir, that is Dr. Mohan Kare sir, and thanks for association with us, IPA Raigad branch Mr. Liladhar Patil, and thank you very much for kind listen of it. So thank you very much, and again we will come with the another plant in next festival whenever the we are having. So we are running this program, that is Know Your Herb, KG in Wo Herb. So thank you very much from my side, Pritham Suvatkar. Thank you very much. Have a good day.